Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. We make it easy to control what happens when a visitor clicks a button in your campaign. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the success action for your campaign's button elements. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I've just finished editing my design and now I'm ready to set the actions for my buttons. The most common button you'll find is the Submit button in your opt-in form. By default, the success action for this button is already set up to go to the success view, but if you wanted to change that, you'd simply select the button to open the editing tools. Next, select the Action tab and choose the option you want to use from the Form Success Action menu. Options include going to a view, redirecting to a URL, opening a mail client, initiating a phone call, copying text, closing the campaign, and reloading the page. I'm happy with the default option, so I'll leave everything as is. Now, I do have a couple of buttons I want to edit in the success view, so I'll head over there. For this first button, I'm going to give my visitors the option of copying the coupon code to use immediately, so again, I'll select the button, and then select the Action tab. This time, under Button Click Action, I'll select Click to Copy Text, and then put the coupon code in the Text to Copy to Clipboard field. I'll leave the Close Campaign option off because I'm hoping the visitor will next click the Start Shopping button, which I'll configure now. This time, I'll select Redirect to a URL, and then put the URL of my store in the Redirect URL field. And that's it. My buttons are now set up. You can create countless possibilities with button actions in OptinMonster. So, where will you be taking your visitors today? If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.